Welcome to part 2 of the gym membership project hint video. Now we're going to make the equations for Plan C. I've already entered some of the other equations. You can take a look at them as we scroll down in a few minutes. Now Plan C, I'm getting us set up for the equations over here. Y equals, and then the plus at the end is going to be for the plus 50 every month, because 50 was the enrollment fee. So, under all three scenarios of how much you like racquetball and tennis, you're always going to end with plus 50. So now let's talk about 5 hours of racquetball. We know this plan is $125 per month. How much money would it cost to play 5 hours of racquetball a month? Well, let's read the description. The first 10 hours of tennis or racquetball are free. Oh, great. So I don't have to add anything. It's just $125 per month, which I'm using X for. Okay, well, great. What about 10 hours a month? If you play 10 hours of tennis or racquetball per month, again, it's free. So it's $125 again. Now, look at the third option, 20 hours of racquetball. Now we have to read more carefully. The first 10 hours of tennis or racquetball per month are free. After that, it's $5 an hour. Okay, so we are going to play 20 hours of tennis. 10 of those hours were free. So that means we're paying for 10 hours of racquetball. And 10 hours of racquetball was how much? $5. So racquetball is going to cost $50 a month. Tennis and racquetball, $50 a month. Plus $125 per month. Okay, so here we're cooking. $175 per month if you play 20 hours of tennis and racquetball. All right, that's our last equation, and we can go plug them into our data sheets. So here's our data sheet for 5 hours of tennis and racquetball. I'm just copying it over from here. 125 per month plus 50. Okay, so I've been helping you guys with the equations. You're going to do the rest of this yourself. You need to make a data table and a graph. The X is the number of months, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. It's up to you what you want to use, and you don't have to use that whole data table if you don't want. Here's 1, 2, 3. You might prefer to do 1 month, 5 month, 10 month, something like that, okay? Or 0 month. So once you're going to fill out these data charts, and then you're going to make your chart, you're going to have to decide how fast you want to go up. For instance, on this one, I might go up by 20s. So that's another hint for you if you're going up by 1, 2, 3 months. So you're going to fill in that data. You're going to make this chart, which is going to have some lines, which is going to show you which one's the best scenario. All right, here's your next data sheet. Y equals, getting it from right over here. This is 10 hours of racquetball and tennis. 125 X plus 50. Again, you're going to have to put the data into this table. The table is going to help you to make your chart. Let's see. Trying to remember what I went up by here. Might even go up by like 200. And actually, the other one should have been in the hundreds, not 20. 200. Okay, so then there's that, and then you'll make your lines. There you go. Okay, last page, 20 hours of racquetball. Y equals 175 X plus 50. Fill out the table. make your graph. I'm just making those. And then lastly, answer these questions. So the project is rather intense, but if you use the hints that I've given you in this video, maybe it will take you a little less time than you thought. Okay? Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful day.